So this is the car that came to us from Arizona. We had replaced lower quarters on it, customized the skirts, extended the front lips down. Same thing that we had done on my Pontiac, the Blue Bayou. We body worked it. We did the air ride front and rear, got it in a primer, painted the roof, replaced all the glass, did the drivetrain swap. This is another one of those turnkey options. Brad decided that he was going to put those front bumper guards on it against his better judgment and my better judgment apparently. But it's okay. We'll let him slide. So here we have the trunk of Brad's Pontiac, affectionately dubbed Sweet Pea. It's got a big C-notch in it. We managed to maintain the spare tire well. And then this has one of our pretty standard air installs. A couple Vire 480s, Slam Specialties valve unit with a 4-gallon aluminum air tank. And we got a full river, full throttle battery stuck down in the quarter panel. Brad happens to be a resident of the beautiful state of Arizona. So here's a fun little thing about this car that not many people get to see. It has pearl panels on the roof. You can kind of see fish scales, some lace. And in certain lights you see it really well. In the sunlight, you don't get to see it as much because the flake overwhelms it. But if you notice, the whole roof has been paneled in a blue pearl and then outlined, of course. And this was on top of a white base with a paint huffer. I believe they call it a blow metal flake. Hey, what's up, Generation Old School? This is Justin over at GG. This is a 50 Merc unchopped that we had built for a customer a while ago. We did a upgraded front suspension, power steering, power brakes, our 2-link kits in the back, big C-notch, and all the sheet metal to go accordingly. I'd say it's got the look. Let's check her out. So we put a 54 Chevy grill in it. Turned out pretty cool. A little different. It's got the 57 caddy caps on there with mirrors in the center. Shaved door handles. We ended up doing the poppers in it. Lake pipes aren't functional. Boo. But you know, they look the part. Our customer bought this car as a kind of a finished, clean, unchopped car. And we just modified it. We just made it a little cooler. Let's check out inside. We had the Bezel re-chromed. Did a Dakota digital. Full interior, nice car. Real simple. Unchopped Merc. What you know about that game? A little stereo, some air gauges. Real simple. Driver.